Opposition spokesman on agriculture, Dr. Dayton Campbell, says government should establish a disaster recovery fund solely for the industry. Dr. Campbell, who was making his contribution to the sectoral debate earlier today, says it will provide a permanent source of funding for for farmers and fishers who are impacted by disasters. Jamaica Maitland explains how it will work.
A proactive disaster response system for farmers and fishers in the aftermath of a hurricane. That's what Dr. Dayton Campbell, opposition spokesman on agriculture, proposed as a solution to help those in the sector recover from natural disasters.
Such a fund should not be created after every hurricane, flood or drought. It should not depend on emergency appeals or delayed budget allocations after livelihoods have been destroyed. It should be a standing national fund, financed annually and ready to be activated immediately when disaster strikes.
Dr. Campbell, who was making a sectoral presentation in the Parliament on Tuesday, says there are still farmers and fishers who are yet to fully recover from Hurricane Melissa more than 7 months ago. Not because assistance wasn't available, but because he argues it was inadequate. Dr. Campbell explained who would benefit from this fund.
Once a disaster is declared and the fund is activated, applications should be processed through a simple and accessible system supported by RADA, Fisheries Authority, and parish-level recovery teams. Most importantly, recovery must be timely. Damage assessment should begin immediately. Emergency assistance should reach affected producers within weeks, and regular public reports should provide transparency on beneficiaries, funding, and progress.
And as it relates to funding,
a permanent agriculture and fishery disaster recovery fund should be supported through a blended model that combines annual government allocations, climate finance, insurance mechanism, development partner support, and private sector partnership.
A bipartisan oversight committee is being proposed to manage the fund to be independently audited and provide annual report to the Parliament.
The Jamaican people should not have to guess how disaster funds are being spent. Transparency must be built into the system from the beginning. I propose the establishment of an oversight body as well, comprising of representatives of government, opposition, farmers and fishers organizations, and other relevant stakeholders to strengthen public confidence and ensure fair administration.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.